See you next time. Bye. Now it can't be supported, it can't be supported. Mention the big arm again, come on. The other side, you walk a little more, go back. See if you can still get out. No. Trouble. Can you still turn it if you try? Can the steering turn? Don't go. You go over there. Fall down. Can you actually turn? Take a turn over there. Can't turn anymore, can it? Can you walk around a little more? Go hard. Stop, can't go. This ass is already grinding. Then you hold on a little harder, collapse this soil, and hold on hard again. Press down on the big arm. Press down. You go now, you can't go. You take a turn and try it. With steering. Bring again. Can't take it anymore. Come, put it down. Put it down again. Come, you go that way now. Go that way. Can you turn it? Now you can turn. Come on, turn. Turn this way. Go this way. Go over there. Turn this way. Come, turn. Then grab it and go that way. Slow down. Then you grab it and go that way. Can you try to get out? Two people to the left stepping forward at the same time. Step on. What are you doing? Don't spin around. Can't turn anymore. It's true. You go this way. Come. Turn this way. Other ass, turn this way. Come, turn. Good, come. Support this side of the tracks. Slow down and support us. Slow down, come. Prop it up. Don't just stretch out your little arm. Don't press down your big arm. You, come. Prop up. Right, branch. Up the branch. Again, first press down on the big arm. Don't push the small arm. Again. Can't move anymore. Push the forearm a little more. Come, go this way. Unilateral walking. Go this way. Come this way. This one on the ground. Go this. Right, walk. With steering to the right with right, walk. Good, you put it now. Both go at the same time. 2 chains go at the same time. Right, good, stop. You lift your big arm, take a look, come. Lift it slowly, raise. No, can't mention it. Go again. Turn to the right. With. Good. Come on. Go this way. Walk. Go on. Good. Stop. Turn around and go straight that way. Go back. Now there is no problem. Just go straight. Come on. Go straight. Right. Support a little. Good. Scared.